Hey, boys and girls, today is February 24th. It's Wednesday, and I'm making this video just in case we are still going to be virtual today. If not, then you don't need to worry about this video. But if we are doing virtual today, I would like you to watch my video here. Okay, so today is February 24th. In Google Classroom, you will find math is 19.4, making bar graphs. And Miss Watkins has put on a fun video here, a Number Rock song that you can watch and sing to as many times as you want. And no stopping you now. And then click on the math assignment, and it will look like this in Kami. It's making more bar graphs, but this time you are filling in the bar graphs. So, for example, if we were to complete this bar graph right here to show the data, we know that Abel read 2 books. Well, that's done for us. Brad read 4 books, 1, 2, 3, 4. And Kara read 1 book. So what we would do is we would use our paint right here. Let's see, let me pick a color here. I'm going to make that thicker. And she just did 1 book right there. That's kind of messy. And Lynn read 3 books. So I would go up to 3. I like to draw a line where it ends and then fill it in after that. So there's my 3. So there I filled in that bar graph. So you're going to do the same down below, except sometimes it leaves out the title and the labels, and you will need to fill those in. So this first one here says, Ella is making a bar graph to show the kinds of pets her classmates have. 5 classmates have a dog. That one is done for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 classmates have a cat. So you would make your 7 right here under cat, colored in. I know this isn't easy. It's not easy for me either. Still kind of fun though. Okay, and then I can even cross those off because I'm done with them. And then 2 classmates have a bird. So right here's the bird. Go to 2, color it in, cross it off. And 3 classmates have a fish. Fish, color it in. Nice. Okay. Cross it off. Number 1 says to write labels and draw bars to complete the graph. So you can use your drawing tool or you can use the text box. Let me use a text box. What's a good title for this graph? Ooh, Classmates Pets. Classmates Pets. That's really cool. Oh, and I can make it a lot bigger if I want to. And I think I'm going to make it quite a bit bigger. Yeah, well, we can move that. All right. Okay, and then also, we did the bars and the labels. We need the labels. So right here, there's a blue bar. That's where we need to have the label. So what do you think the numbers would represent? If you said number of pets, you got it. So I'm going to do another text box for that. And even though it's going to write it this way, I'm going to turn it when I'm done. So I would say number of pets. And I believe, I'm hoping I can do this. I think I can I grab it and turn it? I know that there's a way to do this. Where is it? You guys probably know, and I don't. Oh, there it is right there. That little button right there, that turned it sideways. That was awesome. Okay, right there. And then I'm going to put another text box down here where this blue line is. We have dog, cat, bird, fish. So what would be a good label for that part of the graph? If you said pets, you're right. And then just drag that over so it's on that line there. And I got my label, I have my title, and my graph is complete. So how will the graph change if one more child gets a bird? Well, so let's say, let me change my color here. Let's say one more child gets a bird. I'm going to change the color. One more child comes in, buys a bird. How does that change my graph? What do you notice about it? Well, one thing I notice is that there is the same amount of bird as there are fish. So I can type that in. There are the same number of birds and fish, period. And I can take this and crunch it in so it fits on those lines there. Nice. Got it. Woo-ha. Okay, I want you to do the same thing here. Ooh, this one's awesome because it's about Dexter. So fill in the amounts here, and then make sure you fill in your title and your label. It goes on the bottom. You have to do that too. Okay, this is very important right here where it says, circle this for you. Title and labels. Nice. Okay, you will need to do the multi-step hot problems and the daily assessment task, but it's Wednesday. You do not need to do the homework. Okay, going back to Google Classroom, phonics lesson 102 looks like this when you open it in Kami, and we have a new digraph. Ew. Just kidding. That's actually the sound you need to do is ew. You underline EW anytime you see that because it is said together. So in this word, stew, what do you need to do? Well, you underline EW and you underline ST. And I believe that is a pot of stew right there. Read the paragraph, answer the questions, and then down below do the same exact thing. There's a lot of ews there. Be sure to turn it into your teacher when you're done. All right. After the phonics, you have, brain pop. Okay. I want you to watch the solar system video on Brain Pop Junior. The link is here, and put in Harmony L and BPOP as the password, and enjoy that video, because after that, you will have to play the Brain Pop Easy Quiz game. Now, you're not graded on this. It's not really a quiz. It's just kind of fun to do and to see how much that you learned and listened in the video. So that's kind of fun to do. And then finally, you have a science assignment in Kami. When you open it up, it looks like this. What are planets and stars? Yes, we're starting space. Okay, this is my favorite thing of the whole year, just so you know. What are planets and stars? Well, read and find out. We live on planet Earth. Yes, and yesterday was Earth Day, so it just falls into place so perfectly. Okay, Earth is a planet. A planet is a large ball of rock or gas that moves around the sun. The sun, the planets, and the planets' moons are all part of the solar system. Okay, there are three things I just said that are part of the solar system: the sun, the planets, and the planets' moons. Remember that for the last page of this assignment. That's what it's talking about. All right. On this page, we've got the sun, and the first couple planets are Mercury, Venus, and then Earth, and then Mars. By the way, the NASA Perseverance rover has just landed on Mars. They took amazing pictures, so if you ever get to go online and look at that, that's pretty cool. Anyway, this is Mars. That's the fourth planet. And as you notice, we are the third planet from the sun. Let's see, how many planets are in our solar system? 8. Okay. And which planet is closest to the sun? As you can see in this picture, that is Mercury. All right. I would like you to read and do the rest of this. If you see any blanks, I want you to fill in the blanks. Notice there's a bunch of vocabulary words in here. Think about what the word orbit means. Okay, a star. Our sun is a star. Okay, our sun is not a planet. It's not a moon. It is a star. That is something you do not ever want to forget. And a constellation. Okay, constellation. This is a group of stars that forms a pattern, usually into a picture. Okay, what do these look like to you? All right, be sure to do the Sum It Up page. There's a riddle right here, and then you're going to draw the Earth's orbit around this sun, and then match the pictures to the description. So we have which one is a star, which one's a planet, and which one's a constellation. And then this is the brain check. Your words in your word bank are planet, constellation, solar system, and orbit. So read the clues, fill in the answers, and then use the letters in those ovals on the clue down here. And your riddle says, I am an object in the sky that gives off light. What am I? Here's the last page. Okay, if you were listening to the video before, you would know the exact same answers to these 3 circles right here. Okay, what makes up our solar system? Okay, that concludes our lessons for today, the 24th. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just you know where to find me. And hopefully I get to see you tomorrow or soon. All right, love you guys. Bye.